Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory Fine Lines. I'm here at our flagship store in Thornton, and I'm excited to announce our new clearance center. You can't believe the savings. Every week I'm going to be pointing out unbelievable savings on cooking and laundry appliances. Let's pop in and take a look. Oh gosh. Oh, come on everyone. I'm back here in the clearance center today at our flagship store in Thornton, and look what we have back here. We have column refrigerators. Look at this beautiful monogram piece. Save $3,200 bucks. Let's check it out. We got a ton of them back here. We have column refrigeration by Monogram. Monogram is GE's luxury brand. We have everything from ice indoor to panel ready. And the great thing about a column refrigeration is it gives you the capacity you need to be able to feed your family every day. And speaking of capacity in your new column refrigerator, you're going to have plenty of space for bacon. And I've got a 10-second tip on bacon. To make crispy, excellent bacon, just put a couple of pieces on a couple of paper towels, and a paper towel on top of it, microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes. It's easy cleanup. Throw those paper towels away and you'll have crisp, excellent bacon every time in less than 3 minutes. This is Chef Mark with 10-second tips.